Hi, happy Sunday. We're here to do mukbang on the newly opened Wow Barbecue in Anaheim. This is their boxing, pretty cool boxing, pro. Opening it up now. Well, guess what we have? Chicken first. Love chicken. Pork here. Love pork. Okay, ordered to try regular sweet, and they now have the spicy portion. This is the pork. Open it up right here. This is pretty separated. Good looking foil wrapper. I ordered only one stick for the spicy just to try it out. This is the pork, regular sweet. Pretty well sized. It's about maybe 6 inches. That's about inch and a half size. Pretty good size. This is the regular sweet. I just got it, so it's hot. I mean, still warm. Newly cooked, fresh. And I hear they can do like 100 sticks in like 30 minutes. Savory, sweet. Let's try the spicy pork. Very good. I can't taste the spicy yet, maybe if I finish the whole thing, but this is a mukbang, so I want to cut it short so it's not boring. So that's, there it is. Spicy. Not too spicy, it's okay. Comes with sauce too. Let's try that by itself. Tangy. I love that. Not too sweet, just right amount. Let's try the chicken. Oh, by the way, this is the chicken and that's the pork. So you have an idea. Pretty same size. Let's try it. Again, separated. This is the spicy. And the bunch which I got was the regular sweet chicken. Let's try it out. Look at that. I'm impressed by restaurants that have good looking sticks. And apparently so is my other friends. Let's try this. Fresh. Pretty good. Yeah, high remarks. So again, Wow Barbecue in Anaheim, Lincoln and Beach. That's the closest one. And they're generous in giving sauces. I got macaroni for sides. I'm gonna try that later. But yeah, this is highly recommended. By all means, visit them. All right, they're cool people too. Good service, pretty fast. Okay, have a good Sunday.